Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. With reference to foreign direct investment in India, which one of the following is considered its major characteristic? A. It is the investment through capital instruments, essentially in a listed company. B. It is a largely non-debt creating capital flow. C. It is the investment which involves debt servicing. D. It is the investment made by foreign institutional investors in the government securities. Answer is option B. Foreign direct investment takes place when investor establishes foreign business operation or acquires foreign business assets, including establishing ownership or controlling interest in a foreign company. Thus, foreign direct investment, being a non-debt capital flow, is a leading source of external finance. With reference to the Indian economy after the 1991 economy liberalization, consider the following statements. 1. Worker productivity increased in urban areas while it decreased in rural areas. 2. The percentage share of rural areas in the workforce steadily increased. 3. In rural areas, the growth in non-farm economy increased. 4. The growth rate in rural employment decreased. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 and 4 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 4 only. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is incorrect. Productivity is a measure of the efficiency with which resources, both human and material, are converted into goods and services. There is wide disparity in worker productivity between rural and urban areas. Statement 2 is incorrect. The rate of growth in population and workforce during the last 4 decades in rural areas have always been lower than of the urban areas. Statement 3 is correct. Rural non-farm economy, in recent times, is considered as an effectual strategy for decentralization of economic activities to rural India. The Economic Census of India estimates that around 41.89 million rural people are employed in non-agricultural establishments, which registered a growth rate of 4.56% during 1998 to 2005. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.